How to add and set up a VPN configuration. If you want to connect your device to a VPN using a manual configuration, here's how to set it up. First, open the Settings app. Tap General, then scroll down and select VPN and Device Management. Now, tap VPN. Select Add VPN Configuration. Choose the VPN type provided by your VPN service, such as IKv2, IPsec, or L2TP. Enter the required information from your VPN provider, including the description, server, remote ID, and local ID if required. Then enter your username and password if your VPN configuration requires them. Once you've entered everything, tap Done. Your new VPN configuration will now appear under the VPN settings. Turn on Status to connect to the VPN. When the VPN is connected, you'll see the VPN indicator in the status area. And that's it. This is how you can manually add and set up a VPN configuration. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.